And Jackman gets free and feeds one back of the goal to Shattenkirk. Long stretch pass for Tarasenko. He gets around his man. Tarasenko in a goal. Rebound. He scores! Unbelievable!
And this place erupts. Kid's going to his first of, I'm sure, many all-star games, and he bangs home his 23rd goal. Half of his goals have either given the Blues the lead or tied the game so far this year. A stutter step. Oh boy, does he give Gleason the 9 of hearts with that little stutter step maneuver. We saw that in the game against Dallas earlier in the year. First shot stopped.